Hey guys, we're going to learn how to copy a line segment using our compass, a ruler, and you'll also need a pencil. So if I want to copy this line segment, I need to first start by drawing myself a longer line. After that, I'm going to need to determine one endpoint here. We can call this A. And so then this endpoint down there would be A prime. In order to get the length of this segment, I could measure it with my ruler, but that's not what the geometry curriculum wants us to do. They want us to use our compass. So we are going to put one of the dots, or our pointy part, I call it, on this endpoint, and we are going to open our compass up so that our pencil is on the other endpoint. And all you're going to do is swing an arc. It's kind of hard to see. There you go. Now, your compass is open up to the length of this line segment. So you're going to pick your compass up. Do not move the lengths. Bring it down to the line that you drew. Put your point on A prime. Swing yourself an arc. Now you know where the other endpoint should be. If I check these with a ruler, it's about 2.5 inches. 2.5 inches. They should be the same. One more time, if I need to copy the line segment down here, we'll call this line segment CD. First step I'm going to do is draw myself a longer line. And I'm going to figure out where I want C prime to go. This time, I'm actually not going to put it over here. I'm going to get a little crazy and put it there. Now I need to figure out how long my line segment is. I do that by placing my pointy side on C and my pencil on D. Open it up. Swing yourself an arc. If it's easier, sometimes it's easier to move the paper to keep the compass exactly where it is. Pick it up, don't change it because this is now the length. Bring it down here, put it on C prime, swing your arc. You now know where D prime is. I can check with my ruler. We're about a little under 2 inches. And same measurement there. Copying a line segment, very easy. Draw yourself a longer line. Place your point on A, swing an arc through the other end point on A prime, swing an arc. You've copied a line segment. Next, we're going to talk about copying an angle. So I have an angle drawn here, but what I want to do is redraw this using my compass and my ruler. Just like with drawing a line segment, first thing I'm going to do for copying a line segment, draw myself a longer line. That's going to represent one of the rays of this angle. Next, I'm going to put my point on the vertex, and then I'm going to open my compass up as wide as I want it. I go somewhere typically in the middle, and I'm going to swing a large arc through the entire angle. So again, a large arc through the entire angle. Now, this is at my vertex. So this, when I drew my line down here, this is going to become my vertex. So I'm simply going to keep this the same. Do not change it. Just simply pick it up and move it down to the new line that you drew. This is now your vertex. Draw yourself a big arc here. So now we need to find the distance between these two rays. You're going to use the arc that you made before. You're going to put your point on one of the spots where the arc that you made and the angle meet, and you're going to move your pencil until it gets on the other intersection. Okay? Now we're going to stand it up, and we're going to draw ourselves an arc. Almost like X marks the spot. Now, we're going to take this and bring it down here. So this is my ray and my arc, my ray and my arc. I'm going to come down here where they meet. And I'm going to need to make myself another X. Whoops, sorry. Now that I have that, connect my vertex to the intersection, and the measure of those two angles will be equal. All right, one more time. Down here, if I have a little bit larger of an angle, an obtuse angle, first thing I'm going to do again, draw myself a line. This is going to become the vertex of the angle I'm going to copy. Okay, put my point on the vertex, open it up, again as much as you want, swing an arc through both rays, keep this the same exact length, bring it down here, put your point on your new vertex, swing an arc. Now we just need to measure this distance right here, so we're going to put our point on one of the intersections, our pencil on the other. So make your X. And then we're going to bring it down here and repeat. You can see I did not make my first arc as long as I should have. And we are going to connect. And I have now copied an angle. Now you need to turn to your packets and practice some on your own.